Today for e-learning on Monday, November 2nd, what you need to do is answer this question. What is the difference between amplitude and energy of transverse waves and the amplitude and energy of longitudinal waves? We modeled that with a slinky last week. So hopefully that visual can help you understand how to answer that question. If not, then you may go to page 86 in your online textbook in order to help you out. After you're done with that, remember we have a science notebook once again. This week we are going to be doing two different lessons, so make sure that you complete all of those. Lastly, I want you to take a look at this lab. We are going to be using tuning forks. If you have no idea what a tuning fork is, then make sure you look that up. I don't expect you to go out and buy any of these. You don't have to worry about completing these 3 questions as part of your e-learning assignment, but I do want you to read through this. Lastly, what you actually do need to complete is number 1 through 3. So you're going to unscramble these 3 words. This is going to be your word bank, and then you're going to be using each of these 3 words to plug in for 1, 2, and 3. So it should be a relatively easy 50 points for you today. Again, just make sure you read through this to furthermore explain what a tuning fork is. Basically, you hit it on the table or hit it on your hand and it vibrates. The longer the tuning fork, the longer the wavelength. The shorter the tuning fork, the shorter the wavelength, but the greater the amplitude, which has everything to do with what we're talking about, which again has everything to do with wavelengths. Let me know if you have any questions, but that is your assignment for today on Monday, November 2nd.